क्या तुमने लाइट बंद की? Did you turn off the light? Did you turn off the light? सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. क्या यह तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? वे हर रविवार क्रिकेट खेलते हैं। They play cricket every Sunday. They play cricket every Sunday. दरवाजा कौन खटखटा रहा है? Who is knocking on the door? Who is knocking on the door? वह सुबह उठते ही चाय पीती है। She drinks tea as soon as she wakes up. She drinks tea as soon as she wakes up. क्या तुम नाश्ते से पहले नहाते हो? Do you take a bath before breakfast? Do you take a bath before breakfast? क्या तुम मेरे लिए खाना ला सकते हो? Can you bring me some food? Can you bring me some food? मेरा भाई देर से सोता है। My brother sleeps late. My brother sleeps late. हम हर महीने मिलते हैं। We meet every month. We meet every month. यह ट्रेन कहाँ जाती है? Where does this train go? Where does this train go? चलो कहीं बाहर चलते हैं। Let's go out somewhere. Let's go out somewhere. मुझे यह रास्ता नहीं पता। I don't know this way. I don't know this way. मुझे एक सलाह चाहिए। I need some advice. I need some advice. मैं पहली बार यहाँ आया हूँ। This is my first time here. This is my first time here. कृपया शांति बनाए रखें। Please maintain silence. Please maintain silence. यह बेहतर होगा अगर हम जल्दी निकलते हैं। It will be better if we leave early. It will be better if we leave early. क्यों ना हम एक साथ काम करें? Why don't we work together? Why don't we work together? वह झूठ बोल रहा है। He is lying. He is lying. यह मत करना, यह खतरनाक है। Don't do this, it's dangerous. Don't do this, it's dangerous. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है। I trust you. I trust you. वह पहले यहाँ रह चुका है। He has lived here before. He has lived here before. मुझे सब कुछ साफ साफ चाहिए। I want everything to be clear. I want everything to be clear. क्या तुम मेरे लिए कुछ लाए हो? Did you bring something for me? Did you bring something for me? वह हर किसी की मदद करता है। He helps everyone. He helps everyone. वह मुझे बताए बिना चला गया। He left without informing me. He left without informing me. हम सबको एक साथ काम करना होगा। We all need to work together. We all need to work together. तुमने मुझे पहचान लिया? Did you recognize me? Did you recognize me? मैंने तुम्हारी बात मान ली। I accepted your suggestion. I accepted your suggestion. वह अपने काम में बहुत अच्छा है। He is very good at his work. He is very good at his work. वह कल बहुत उदास था। He was very sad yesterday. He was very sad yesterday. उसने आसमान सिर पर उठा लिया। He created a huge scene. He created a huge scene. हम जल्द ही शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे। We will move soon. We will move soon. मेरे होश उड़ गए। I was shocked. I was shocked. मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ खास लाऊंगा। I'll bring something special for you. I'll bring something special for you. वह अपनी दुनिया में खोया रहता है। He lives in his own world. He lives in his own world. वह अगले महीने शादी करेगा। He will get married next month. He will get married next month. वह बातों का पक्का है। He keeps his word. He keeps his word. मुझे यकीन है कि वह आएगा। I'm sure he will come. I'm sure he will come. अब पछताने से क्या फायदा? What's the use of regretting now? What's the use of regretting now? मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है। I am feeling really bad. I am feeling really bad. क्या तुम नाराज हो? Are you upset? Are you upset? मैं डर गया था। I got scared. I got scared. आप किस होटल में ठहरे हैं? Which hotel are you staying at? Which hotel are you staying at? मैंने उसे माफ कर दिया। I forgave him. I forgave him. मैं रोज सुबह दौड़ता हूँ। I run every morning. I run every morning. मुझे उसकी बातें अच्छी लगीं। I liked what he said. I liked what he said. मैं 2 घंटे से इंतजार कर रहा हूँ। I have been waiting for 2 hours. I have been waiting for 2 hours. मुझे इस बात का दुख है। I regret this. I regret this. कोई बात नहीं। It's okay. It's okay. अगर वह बुलाएगा तो मैं जरूर जाऊंगा। If he calls, I will definitely go. If he calls, I will definitely go. कृपया अंदर आइए। Please come in. Please come in. अगर तुम मेहनत करोगे तो सफल हो जाओगे। If you work hard, you will succeed. If you work hard, you will succeed. मुझे नहीं पता। I don't know. I don't know. अगर मुझे समय मिला तो मैं तुम्हारे घर आऊंगा। If I get time, I'll come to your house. If I get time, I'll come to your house. क्या आप दोहरा सकते हैं? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? अगर वह सच कहता तो मैं उस पर भरोसा करता. If he had told me the truth, I would have trusted him. If he had told me the truth, I would have trusted him. तुमने यह किससे सीखा? From whom did you learn this? From whom did you learn this? अगर मौका मिला तो मैं वहां जरूर जाऊंगा. If I get a chance, I will surely go there. If I get a chance, I will surely go there. इसे फिर से कहो. Say it again. Say it again. तुमने यह कहां से खरीदा? Where did you buy this from? Where did you buy this from?